Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Social Study Tech, 8th Standard Social Science. So today in these sessions we are going to discuss the history part, okay? In history, unit 5, unit name Greek, Roman and American civilization. Now first see the filling the blanks here. Now, complete the following sentences by using suitable words in the blanks. Complete the following sentences by using suitable words in the blanks. Now, number 1, the epic written by Homer are the Iliad and Dash. The epic written by Homer are the Iliad and Dash. Your answer is Odyssey. Number 2, the Greeks refers to dictator as Dash. The Greeks refers to dictator as dash. Your answer is tyrants. Okay. Now move on to the third one. The one who laid the foundation for the study of medicine is dash. The one who laid the foundation for the study of medicine is dash. Your answer is Hippocrates. Question number 4. The first to have analyzed history was dash. The first to have analyzed history was dash. Your answer is Herodotus. Question number 5. Princip means dash. Princip means dash. Your answer is the first citizens of the states. Question number 6. The languages of the Romans is dash. The languages of the Roman is dash. Your answer is Latin. Question number 7. The stone sculptures of the Mayan civilization are dash. The stone sculptures of the Mayan civilization are dash. Steles. Answer is Steles. Question number 8. Texcoco is a dash in Mexico. Texcoco is dash in Mexico. Answer is here lake. Question number 9. The leaders of the Incas was dash. The leaders of the Incas was dash. Your answer is Tupac. Now last filling the blanks. Last one. The ruling deity of the Incas was dash. The ruling deity of the Incas was dash. Your answer is sun god. Okay. Now move on to now let's discuss the question answer here. Answer in brief the following questions. Okay, fine. Now let's see the question 1. Explain the contributions of Homer to Greek literature. Explain the contributions of Homer to the Greek literature. Here answer is Homer wrote 2 epics, the Iliad and the Odyssey. Homer wrote 2 epics, the Iliad and Odyssey. These epics describe the life and institutions of the times. These epics describe the life and institutions of the times. Iliad narrates the siege of Troy and its destructions. Iliad narrates the siege of Troy and its destructions. The Odyssey in great deal with the adventures of Odysseus while on his return from Troy. The Odyssey in great details deal with the adventures of Odysseus while on his return from Troy. Okay. Now move on to the question 2. Name the Greek city-states. Name the Greek city-states. Here answer is Athens, Sparta, Macedonia and Thebes. Athens, Sparta, Macedonia and Thebes. Now move on to the question number 3. Which are the civilizations of ancient Colombia? Which are the civilizations of ancient Colombia? Your answer is Maya, Aztec, Inca are the civilizations of ancient Colombia. Maya, Aztec, Inca are the civilizations of ancient Colombia. Now let's see the question number 4. Who are the Mayas? Who are the Mayas? Your answer is the American Indians, aborigines of Yucatan of Mexico are called as the Mayas here. Okay. Now move on to the question number 5. Describe the features of the Roman Republic. Describe the features of the Roman Republic. Your answer is the Rome was under the rule of a monarch. The Rome was under the rule of a monarch. The Romans had assembly and a senate as 2 political advisory institutions. The Romans had assembly and a senate as 2 political advisory institutions. The assembly was made up of all the middle-aged men. The assembly was made up of all the middle-aged men. Whereas the Senate was an elite institution which was very influential. whereas the Senate was an allied institution which was very influential. The Senate had the power to reject the proposal of the assembly and the king. The Senate had the power to reject the proposal of the assembly and the kings. In the 6th century BC, monarchy was abolished and a republic was established. In the 6th century BC, monarchy was abolished and a republic was established. Now move on to the question number 6. How were the ascetics worshippers of natures? How were the ascetics worship of the natures? Your answer is, the ascetics were worshipper of natures. They tried to please God in many ways. One of them was human sacrifice. The ascetics were worshipper of nature. They tried to please God in many ways. One of them was human sacrifice. Now move on to the question number 7. Name the different tribes of Greek. Name the different types of Greek. Name the different tribes of Greek. Now let's see the answer here. The Achaeans, the Ionians and the Dorians are the different names, Greek tribes here. Now let's see the question number 8. Who was Alexander? What was his ambition? Who was Alexander? What was his ambitions? Now let's see the answer. Alexander was the king of Macedonia and Greeks. Alexander was the king of Macedonia and Greeks. He wanted to conquer Persia and India. He wanted to conquer Persia and India. Okay, fine. Now move on to the question number 9. Name the institution established by Aristotle. Name the institutions established by Aristotle. Now let's see the answer here. Answer is Lyceums in Athens. Lyceums in Athens. Now move on to the question number 10. Who are the famous philosophers of Greek civilization? Who are the famous philosophers of Greek civilization? Here answer is Socrates, Plato and Aristotle are the famous philosophers of Greek civilization. Socrates, Plato and Aristotle are the famous philosophers of the Greek civilization. Okay. Now move on to the question number 11. Write briefly about the philosophy of Socrates. Write briefly about the philosophy of Socrates. Okay, now let's see the answer. Socrates was a philosopher who taught the Western world to think logically. Knowledge is virtue, virtue is knowledge. This was the foundation of Socratic thought. Socrates was the philosopher who taught the Western world to think logically. Knowledge is virtue, virtue is knowledge. This was the foundations of Socratic thoughts. Okay, fine. Now move on to the question number 12. Now see the question 12. Write a short note on Alexander. Write a short note on Alexander. Now let's see the answer here. He was the king of Macedonia in Greek. He was the king of Macedonia in Greek. In his short-lived life, he set out to conquer the whole world. In his short-lived life, he set out to conquer the whole world. He defeated the Persian army and advanced towards India. He defeated the Persian army and advanced towards India. After fighting on the Indian borders while on his return to Greek, Alexander died at Babylonia in 323 BC. After fighting on the Indian border while on his return to the Greeks, Alexander died at Babylonia in 323 BC. Now move on to the question number 13. Now let's discuss the question 13 here. What are the objects worshipped by the Inca peoples? What are the objects worshipped by the Inca peoples? Now let's see the answer here. The people of Inca civilization worshipped objects like moon, stars and lightning. The people of Inca civilization worshipped objects like the moon, the stars and the lightning. Okay. Thank you everyone. If you like the video, then don't forget to subscribe my channels and press the bell icon. Thank you.